Hi, I'm Jackson from Inglewood Coffee Roasters, and today we're going to show you how to brew a French press. You'll need a few things: boiling water, 36 grams of ground coffee to a very coarse coarseness, something to stir the French press with, a French press, and some scales. First off, we're going to warm up our French press. Once the French press is warm, you can discard that water, grab your scales, and pour in 36 grams of coarsely ground coffee. You can use filter or espresso for a French press. The French press we're making today is for 4 people, but if you needed to make it for 2 people, I would just halve the recipe. Pour in 800 grams of boiling water and start your timer. Then stir your coffee gently and replace the lid. Let this steep for 3 minutes. At the 3-minute mark, remove the lid, stir the coffee, and remove the top crema. Replace the lid and let it steep for another 3 minutes. At the 6-minute mark, plunge the coffee almost to the bottom. That way you won't end up with much of the sludge. Decant the coffee into another vessel if you would like it to not continue extracting, and pour into whatever you want to drink out of. You want to give this a whirl, Eden?
Oh, pretty good actually. Thanks.
Hey,